Hey guys, welcome back. So in this class, we're going to install Node, and here I'm already on nodejs.org, and we can see we have two versions available for download for Windows, and one is the long-term support, the 12.18.3, and the other one is the newest version, the 14.9.0. And if we come here, just so you understand what's going on, just on 20th of October, we stopped being the 12 version, the active, and start being Node.js 14, the active version. And now, of course, Node 12 is going to be support until the 2022. However, the version at the moment active is version 14, so we should go for this version. So let's go back here and just download it. Now, once we finish download, we can just click it and the installer will start. And as soon as the installer starts, we just have to click next. Feel free to read the terms. I'm just gonna accept it and press next. Here, just wherever we want it to be installed, I'm happy with this program files node.js. Just go next. Also, we want to install everything, so just next again. And here is going to ask us if we wanted to install some other tools like c003, that's a package manager for Windows. And I will check this box because we may use c003 later on. So if we have installed now with Node, will be handy. Next, and install. Of course, it's going to ask us to confirm, and now we're on the way to install Node on our machine. Now, as soon as you see that dialog get finished, and we can just hit finished, and here we just see some details on the prompt. You can just hit enter, continue again. Now installing c003 for us. If you didn't select c003, so you're probably not going to be seeing this. It doesn't really matter. If you need later on, you can install it. Now, of course, they need some other tools like Python. Sometimes some other tools will need some .NET cores, and just let it do its job. Now that it finished, it took a while because this computer doesn't have anything installed. So we install all this and it's done. Now we can just press enter to exit. And now if we open PowerShell, we should be able to just type node, and there we go, we have node 14.0.9 installed. And hope you enjoyed this class, and I'll see you on the next one.